Alright guys, so today we're back at Darren's shop. We're going to be working on the high pressure fuel pump and upgrading it with the Autotech kit right here. So we're just going to swap out the stock one, open it up, switch over the internals so we could be able to run higher E content on the car. Secondary air. You guys can see that underhose makes it so much easier. Look at that. But yeah, at this point, we have the fuel pump easily accessible. 2 triple squares, loosen that up. Shop towel is handy because this thing's gonna leak. So we're gonna loosen up this. Let that drain a little bit. So that loose there. We already cracked it loose right there. Release that fuel pump connector right there. Just these 2 triple squares and pry that down. Alright, so we got these 2 M10 triple squares. That's it.
You definitely don't want to bend that thing. Remember last time what happened when we tried to fix bends?
Oh yeah. Look at that.
You should check your cam follower too while you're in here.
I don't know how to do that.
Stupid!
I guess you could do it.
Just make sure that there's no nicks or anything on there.
Wow, looks good. Looks good. Very nice, very nice.
Can only go in one way.
Only going one way. Freaking cam follower inspection. Look at that. There you go, guys. It's in there. And here we have the stock high pressure fuel pump. So let's go ahead, get the Autotech in there. All right, so we have the spring compressor now. We're gonna try to press this out. Fortunately, we don't have our bearing splitter. Darren doesn't have his. So we're gonna improvise, man.
Well, that came out.
Yeah, it did. Look at that.
Just take it off?
Yep.
Okay, wouldn't that go in instead?
Yeah, we just swap it up. Yep.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Like
Yeah.
this. Can you see that one? Like this. Like this.
Lube up your Autotech piston with some oil.
Alright. Let's lube it up.
Hey guys, so they don't put a torque wrench or a torque spec on the when you're reassembling this piston back in there. Come on, Autotech. What's up with that, man? Just says install in reverse fashion, like okay.
Yeah, what size is that socket?
This one is 1 and 1/16. That's good. All right. Little keepers. I guess it goes that way, right?
As long as they stay there.
As long as they stay, right?
go.
They're in.
Yep, all done.
Nice, man. Not too terrible, right?
No, it's easy.
Now it's just reverse assembly, guys.
I wish I could do this with mine. What's that? How much more is that supposed to flow?
Well, with this you could do full E85 if you want to.
Really?
Yeah, but
Yeah,
after.
get a Mark 7.
So he just lubed up the cam follower, inspected it, everything's good. Just lubed it up with some oil. Now we're ready for reassembly. Kind of just fell right in there. Holes are lined up. It's just this bottom piece now. A little bit on this one.
That's good, that's good.
This one. Boost. Ooh yeah. There you go.
Alright, go turn the key and let's make sure it doesn't leak.
Okay. That's it, guys. We're good to go. That's how you install Autotech high pressure fuel pump internals. Thank you guys for watching. I'll definitely follow up with the tune and the whole process afterwards, but thank you guys for watching. Catch you next video.